Hello everybody, this is Spicy Dungeoneer, and today I'm going to be telling you about a great free resource that you can play for Vaesen, and that is Vaesen Con, and it's going to be happening very soon. And if you want to be involved, you need to sign up as soon as possible. So the way to do it is you go to VaesenCon.com, and you can see that you can find this player sign up is now open, and click on that and you can register for all sorts of things. You can play the game as well as go to panels about how to make the game, make monsters for the game, all of that sort of stuff. Click on this QR code if you want to check out their Discord server, and they have been doing this every year, so you can actually go and check out 2023 live panels and rewatch their YouTube recordings of those live panels. So it's very interesting, and as you see, if you click on these things, you'll come to these forms here. The GM sign up is unfortunately already closed, but if you click on here, you'll be able to go and check out all the player registration. Alright, and give the and then choose the ones that you want to do. Let's have a look at a few other things. So there is a code of conduct. Of course, there's veils and lines and things like that. And as you sign up for your the games that you want to play, it will be assigned according to a lottery. There's writing workshops as well, so I think this is quite interesting. They're obviously trying to get people involved in the actually creating new content, which is good. And you can see that they want you to build new Vaesen. Having a look at the games that were being on offer for this con, they were basically Scandinavian, which is where the game is based, but also a lot of American. There was one campaign in Texas. There's also some Japanese stuff. So I think they're really starting to branch out and find new games. You can see here some of the names of, so basically these are the campaign, or not the games that you can play, and some information. Not all, some of them you have pre-generated games, so you don't have to make your own character. Here is Texas. And they're beginner friendly, right? So Swedish coastline, American millionaire to the Scottish. So, you know, I noticed that there's no Australian stuff. Yeah, I guess the market's not that big, and it's German. There's no, yeah, I have noticed that even in their expansions that I have seen, it's of course they're focusing on an American market. Why wouldn't you? It's a big one, but there's no Pacific or Oceania stuff. So these are all, you know, over the 3-day period, and of course you can see by the content warnings that there's, you know, it's not a game for the faint-hearted. This is the Japanese one. I would like to play a game that was more involved in the Viking, a bit more Viking stuff in it. I think that would be interesting. Yeah, so you can see that some of the content can be pretty full on, but that's because it is a horror game and you're supposed to be exploring those themes. You can get their magazine from Drive-Thru RPG. By the way, I'm not being paid for this promotion, I'm just letting you know because I'm interested in this game and I was trying to find a game for myself, and I was able to register for this convention, and I thought, well, this is such a great free resource, and if people put things on there for free, then I'm happy to, promote something that is good for the community. So this is the Free League Publishing website as well, and there's plenty of stuff here that's good for your Vaesen game. There is organized play forums that you can talk about all the different games they play, like Alien, Blade Runner, Dragonbane, which there's been a lot of video talk about, Forbidden Lands, that seems like a really good game. I can't remember if it's Forbidden Lands or it might be Symbaroum, which WotC will be actually putting on the new D&D Beyond site, so there's going to be some crossover there. I think they're doing a D20 version of it though, not the Free League rules that you can use. Tales from the Loop, if you're familiar with that TV show and books. And of course, Lord of the Rings, The One Ring. I would love to play this game. Walking Dead, that's a very popular franchise. We've got Vaesen. And board games and all sorts of stuff. So there's plenty of community content to get involved in, and they have their own version of the OGL. I don't believe it's Creative Commons, I think it's OGL, and so you can create content. They try to encourage that, which is good. Just some of the games that they've got. I'd love to check out this. I don't think I'd like to game master it. It might be a bit too heavy. Well, you'd have to really know your Tolkien. I think that would be great though. It'd be fun. Alien. Spooky. So I think there's some really good content there that's branching out from Dungeons and Dragons, Blade Runner. They go for a more darker theme, which is fun. That movie's a classic. Walking Dead. I guess hopefully it's a bit more than Zombie of the Week, but you get the idea, and this is all within the Free League Publishing (1980s). Yeah, so this is the two games. This one here is, we'll be doing the crossover with Wizards of the Coast, Ruins of Symbaroum, and so there's a 5e OGL for that. It's a bit darker. if D&D is getting a bit too vanilla for you, you might want to check these things out. And then Dragonbane is also pretty bloodthirsty game, but that's part of the fun. So there you go. It's just a taste, you know. I'm trying to branch out into other games. I think that, especially since Wizards of the Coast and Hasbro seem to be taking Dungeons and Dragons into some particular places that I'm not sure. Don't get me wrong, I'll play D&D. I love D&D and I'll keep playing it, but I think it might be time for at least me to try a few different games, and there seems to be a lot of great content here. Let me know in the comments though, have you tried any of these games? Are you interested in the Vaesen convention? If not, why not? And if so, which one are you more interested in? If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you want to get into that convention, you really need to do it quickly because there's only a couple of days left on it. But that's all for me from today, and it's bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.